In this tutorial, we will be covering an interactive materials technique by utilizing the MoGraph module. First of all, we have to create the desired object that will be used as a collider body. Now it's time to create another geometry that will interact with this surface. Assign the rigid body tag to it and enable the custom initial velocity option with a value of 200 on its z-axis. Make it a child of cloner object and distribute clones on a simple plane. Decrease clones count down to 1 and create a keyframe. Go to the last frame. Increase clones count up to the desired value and create yet another keyframe. Now we have to optimize dynamic simulation. Select both of these tags, decrease their friction and collision noise values down to 0, and increase the bounce value up to 90%. Results will be even better if you will set the shape of sphere clones to ellipsoid and cube objects to box. In order to finish our simulation, we can apply MoGraph cache tag to the dynamic spheres and execute the bake command. It is worth mentioning that a cached simulation allows changing object properties without affecting resulting dynamics. Now our simulation is finished, and it's time to colorize these clones by utilizing the plane effector. Disable its position option and use only the color values. Navigate to the Fall-Off tab and restrict its influence only to the points of these clones. Bear in mind, this effect will take place only with a cached simulation. We can also take advantages of delay modifier in order to emphasize the interaction effect. Results will be even better if you will bring down our clones and apply delay effector, which will add realistic springy motion. Finally, we need to expose these colors in our material. Temporarily disable unnecessary channels and activate only the luminance option. Load the MoGraph color shader into its texture and colorize with an arbitrary preset. Bear in mind, the last color of this gradient should remain black. Otherwise, luminance colors will propagate across all clones. Eventually, you are able to play our animation and see the final results in real time.